As we can see, the broken stud that was mentioned in the base of the head, the drill can just be seen down through the core plug hole drill bit, and this is the remainder of the last bit of thread that we've just removed from it. We shall now run the tap down just to make sure that this thread is still perfectly clean and undamaged, which at this point we're confident we haven't damaged, and we shall go from there. As you can see, the tap just going down the thread, it is perfectly clear, it's gone in nice, and we are happy with those results, and I'm sure the customer will be further. Okay, there's the new stud just screwing itself in to the block and holding quite firmly. Definitely happy results.